gonna do a quick video on this car. This is an LC Smith and Corona typewriter, type 11, I think. Yeah, type 11. Thought I saw that somewhere. Really cool old typewriter. It's whenever I got it, it wouldn't. The letters and stuff kept getting stuck and all that stuff. So I cleaned it up a little bit, but I wanted to leave a little bit of the rust and stuff on there. But I wanted to make it functional. So probably won't be able to see that well, but there's some rust and stuff on there. And on the back you got the LC Smith, made in the United States. Then on this side, got some kind of, I don't know what all that does, but so cool. These gears and switches and knobs and everything. But yeah, you can, let's see if we can hear it. It's got the little bell. That's so cool. Yeah, let's type something out real quick. And the way these old typewriters sound when they type is really cool. But hang on a second. Can you see that? I don't know. Well, let's try a story. Uh-oh. There's no delete. So you're kind of screwed on that. I can do this. There you go. Let's see if you can see that. Oh, so cool. Alright, just a quick one. Looks like it's been stored in a barn or in somebody's library. How about that? It was locked up in somebody's mansion in their library for years and years and years. You kind of look at that and think about somebody writing some kind of murder mystery novels or something like that. That's just kind of what comes to my mind. As far as I can tell, this dates back to about the 30s or 40s. From what I can tell, I can't find an exact date, but that's about what I can tell so far. Let's see here. Oh, and this thing is heavy. Yeah, you can kind of see the underneath. All the little things work. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, y'all comment, rate. We'll talk to you later. I'm gonna get a hernia while I pick this up. Alright, we'll see you later.